3,500 RPMs. So is the 370Z slow? Let's talk about that. But first of all, bros, before we get into the video, let's go ahead and check the oil level because I am hooking you guys up today. I am really hooking you guys up. I really need to start checking the oil more often on the car, guys. This is something I'm really bad at. As you guys can see right there, right on high. So it's actually a little bit more than high, but it's fine. It's really black though. I gotta do an oil change soon. Oh my gosh. Every time you get into this car, it's like you're getting into an oven. Oh, that's so bad. I'm this very anti-car guy, but I have to do this, guys. And we also gotta go ahead and put gas. So let's go ahead and do a quick gas station run, guys, and then let's get to the fun part. So many times you guys have commented, race more, race your car, do more POV videos, do some more driving videos. Well, today's your day, guys. Today's your day. Always gotta stay hydrated. Hopefully the camera isn't shaking. Let me see if I can fix this real quick. So why you guys clicked on this video? Today we're gonna discuss whether the 370Z is slow or it's fast. So this is probably a really touchy subject for us 370Z owners and just people that want to get the Z. Because I remember when I wanted to get the 370, I was always like wondering, because I never test drove one and I was never in one. I was like, are they really fast against things like the Mustang, WRX, STI, NSS, things like that? I always wanted to know what I should get, what was faster, and what would be better for the money. Obviously, when you're looking to buy a sports car and you want to get a 370, one of the first things you always think of is the car fast? First, I want to say that everybody has very different definitions of fast depending on the car you've been in. Like for me, for example, I've never been in a car faster than a 370. I don't know how you're going to take that. I don't know if you think that's really cool or that's really sad. But I've never, guys. I've never been in a car faster than a 370. Sports car that I've been in is, I've been in a WRX, which felt about the same as this car. The torque felt about the same. The feeling was about the same, yeah. I've been in a V6 Mustang, which I'm not gonna say was slow because they're not. As you guys are about to see, we're gonna actually I'm gonna spoil it. We're gonna race a V6 Mustang. They're not slow at all, trust me. They're really not slow. I don't know why people talk so much bad things about them. I mean, the V8's a lot faster, but honestly, for being a V6 and a Mustang, they're really not slow. Anyways, to what I was trying to get you. That didn't feel slow, but the torque, it didn't feel as torquey as the 370Z. Let me stop going off track and let's go back to what I was getting to. A lot of people have different opinions on fast. So we're gonna go ahead and compare this car to other V6s and V8s, and we're gonna talk about how they put up against V8s. We're not really gonna compare it to like Corolla or Altima, because I mean, compared to those two cars, yes, this car is fast compared to those two. So let's go ahead and compare it to, like I already said, the Mustangs and things like that. I really don't like saying this, guys, but this car's not really meant for a straight line, just race. This car's more meant for corners, mixed with straight lines, mixed with big curves like this one right here. But for straight lines, in 2009 when this car first came out, it was insane. I mean, this car was doing really good against V8s, against everything. But now in 2018, the Mustangs have so much more horsepower. Things like the Focus RS are out, the Honda Civic Type R. It doesn't really, I don't think it can really put up with those cars. Now, am I saying that the 370Z is a lot slower than the Type R or the Focus RS or other 4 cylinders or V6s? Definitely not. I mean, this car can really put up with those. Sadly, you can't really compare it to those cars that every year just keep getting more horsepower, while the Z kind of just stayed at 332 for the base model and 350 for the Nismo model since it came out in 2009, which I really don't know why Nissan did that, guys. Let me know in the comments below what's your opinion on them just staying with 332 horsepower instead of putting a little more, and 350 for the Nismo. Like, at least give us a little more power, like a twin turbo version. That'll be really nice. But don't let that fool you, guys. Don't let what I just said fool you. My opinion on whether it is fast or not, yes, it is fast. The 370Z is a fast car. It is a fast mobile car that I would honestly, I don't care if V8s are faster. I would much rather have this than like a V8 Mustang, or V8 Challenger, or anything else. I feel like this car's just much more fun. You can do more things with it. You feel like lighter in the car. You feel like you can do more things. And I don't know, I just rather choose this car over the other ones. And for me, it is fast. Compared to what I had before, guys, it was a 2000 Mitsubishi Eclipse. So yes, this car's fast compared to that and compared to everything else that I've driven. So if you're coming from a sedan or just more of a family-oriented car and you wanna look into a 370Z, but you're worried where it's not gonna really stand up against a V8, or it's a little bit slow, or it's outdated, trust me guys, go ahead and test drive one, and once you put your foot all the way to the throttle, it's gonna pin you back in the seat. And that was the best feeling I've ever had, guys. And it can amazingly still put up with all the new WRXs, Mustangs, everything. And it's just insane to think about. And just really, Nissan did an amazing job. And the 0 to 60 we got was actually, I believe, 5.1 seconds. And I kid you not, guys, I promise you I can at least get a 4.9. If not better, but I think that will be pushing it. But a 4.9 is definitely doable on a 2009 370Z that's been out for 9 years. That's insane. Honestly, in my opinion, that's super good. I also want to state, guys, this is not a biased opinion. I know I'm wearing my Danny Z shirt and I have a Z hat and I own a 370Z. So obviously I'm going to say it's fast. But no, guys, don't think of it that way. I'm honestly telling you the truth. And yeah, just trying to help you guys out. And if any of you, which I think a lot of you do, own a 370Z, on the comments below if you don't mind, let me know where you think the 370Z is fast in 2018 and just where it stands. Alright guys, so I've been wasting way too much gas. I was kind of just going around circles while talking to you guys. I am where it says range in miles. There's no miles. So I'm gonna go ahead and put gas over here at the gas station because I feel like I'm gonna run out of gas. I'll see you guys at the gas station. That's so bad. Not really full, but we can say it's full. We don't do much car spotting on this channel, guys, but look at that. LC500. Absolutely love those cars. So I actually came back home real quick to export the footage. Now we're gonna go ahead. I think it's waiting for me at the spot we were just at. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little sacrifice I'm doing because my parents are not happy with this. Alright guys, so I don't know how this race is gonna go. It's raining. I'm scared I'm gonna die. I'm either gonna get smacked or I'm pretty much gonna beat him and just gap him. I think we're only gonna do one race because there's a cop over there. It's also raining. Circumstances aren't the best right now, so we're gonna at least try to pull one for you guys. At least one. Let's go! Alright, 3,500 RPMs. I started late. Dang, I started late. Dang it, that was so bad. I started late. Let's go, Brittany. Let's go. What? Let's go! Let's go! Oh, I think I took that one. I think I took that one. I think we took that one, boys. There we go, Brittany. That was good. That was good. Oh man, I'm actually gonna call him because I'm not gonna do one more. So is that I went late. No fui cuando tocaste. I didn't hear you.
No, yo también me quedé tomado la segunda.
Guys, I haven't done that in so long. It was 2 runs for you guys, so I hope you had fun. I hope you laughed by me screaming. I hope you guys laughed by me screaming, and yeah, let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what this car stands up against. I think it has a full exhaust or an axle back, I'm not sure. And he also has headers. So we're pretty much on the same page on mod wise. And honestly, bros, as you can see right there, we were neck to neck. Really happy how Brittany did. Good job, Brittany. So Umberto's gonna hook you guys up and Burnout?
Yeah.
Okay, so make sure you guys go follow him on Instagram. Oh god, this thing's so loud. Oh my god. Brittany, brace yourself. That is so loud. Oh my gosh. That's so loud. I think someone does for you too. That was good, that was good. Alright, so shout out to Umberto and his Mustang for being here and doing the burnout for you guys and racing. That was a good race.
Alright, bro, nice.
No.
See you.
Bros, that was actually a really fun video. Not only because we raced and we had, I would say we had fun. It was a fun video. But because it's usually in the video just Brittany and I, you guys don't really see new faces, or I don't really introduce anybody to the vlog. Like I already told you guys, make sure you go follow Umberto on his Instagram. I'm gonna leave it somewhere down below. So make sure you guys go follow him, like his pictures, do all those good things that you guys always do. But it's raining really bad right now, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the video when I get home because it's raining really bad right now. And just like that, guys, this video is over. Again, if you guys enjoy this type of video, me racing the Z, most likely it's not gonna happen in a very long time. But if you do enjoy it, make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, a big thumbs up. With that said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this crazy video. I think it's pretty crazy, I don't know, of me racing Brittany. Shout out to Umberto again for doing the donut and the burnout and all that. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the thumbs up, you subscribe, you share with your friends. Click the notification bell so you guys know whenever I upload, because sometimes the notifications don't go out or it doesn't show in your subscription box. So just so you guys know when I upload, just make sure you hit that bell. And with that said, from Brittany and I, we'll see you guys next time.